What's good, everyone? This is ZenTZ here. I hope you are doing well in this period of time. It's been like 24 days since the first day of movement control order due to coronavirus. And just now, our Prime Minister just announced that they will extend this MCO for another 2 weeks. What we can do right now is just stay at home, wash our hands more frequently, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. In this period of time, I was thinking on what content to be put up in my YouTube channel, and suddenly I recalled that I actually recorded a video 1 year ago, which is on 27th of January 2019, but I didn't edit it. So on that day, I was actually attending a leather workshop organized by Terance Chen, a leather enthusiast from Utile work. So in that workshop, I was taught how to make this leather card holder. So let's just see how it goes. Kiana, let's go!
我选择19年。
对啊，这是 brand new iPhone。OK， 这个是画线的，所以这个东西呢是给你们画现在这个 pouch 的边缘给你们打洞用的，就是盖你们打洞的。所以这东西呢，你必须，我有2把，所以不一样的，可是会是一样的 result。19，来，给你抽
Z 一点。
Zen 要考。
Zen 你说？当然可以考虑。你要去进货是食物全部。所以我就叫。好了，
谢谢。
客气。把海南形成一个arrow 这样子下来，所以那个 arrow 呢是射向自己的。然后当你要 reverse 的时候呢，因为你射向自己就是缝向前，然后现在你要缝 reverse 嘛，所以你就是又在 arrow 向自己，然后从你要缝3个，1个、2个、3个，所以是1、2、3、4个洞开始。先进针，进去过后把针拉平， 拉平了过后呢，右手先进前面那个洞进去，一拉的时候呢，注意这边留一个 ring， 它一定会有一个 ring。然后这边呢，这条线呢会形成一个 cross， 就是这条线是躺在。
Hey everyone, this is basically the process to handmade a leather card holder. From this workshop, I've learned a lot of knowledge about leather and the techniques to create a card holder. To be honest, it is not easy. However, Terance, he is a patient guy. He guided me step by step until I've made it. Shout out to Terance for organizing such a great workshop for us. And if you can see clearly, it is stamped with the date we made this card holder and my initial ZEN behind. It is like a meaningful souvenir to me. So if you are interested to attend his workshop, check out their Instagram account, Utile Works, and register with them when they are organizing their next workshop. You can also support them by buying their leather products. It is listed in their Instagram account. Go and check it out. So here comes to an end. I hope you like my video. Feel free to leave a comment if you all have anything to tell me. Subscribe my channel, share it to your friend. Till we meet again. Bye.